This was properly tended to by Bitcoin Money's introduction to the world, represented by BCH in mid-2017 by a gathering of engineers. They understood that the tremendous capability of Bitcoin could be additionally bridled ideally through a hard fork, consequently expanding the block size limit. So on August 1, 2017, BCH started its life. Bitcoin Money. Functionalities of standard reception. Once BCH made its presence felt and noticeable, Ziglu, a London-based computerized bank, chose to finance English pounds and numerous digital currencies like BTC, LTC, and presently BCH2. Clients of the advanced bank can now make P2P installments over the organization or different banks inside the UK. BCH is using pretty much 2.1% of its block limit. Aside from that, the specialized rejig could likewise be expected to bring back the cost sheen. The designers required a ton of redoing to show greater readiness in rolling out revolutionary improvements to the venture's essentials. This could assist with pushing the BCH cost and market cap to new highs. Be that as it may, the value history of Bitcoin Money, thinking back, has not been offering too much. It has stayed unpredictable and emphatically connected with the general market situation. On December 20, 2017, not long after its creation, a solitary Bitcoin Money had a worth of more than $4,000 and the cost expanded. It looks astounding that the coin has begun losing cash quickly and saw today cost drop from that astonishing level definitely. Retail financial backer records lose cash while exchanging spread wagers and are complicated instruments. Being quite possibly of the most established player in the digital currency market, Bitcoin Money value, the posterity of Bitcoin, has acquired confided in believability among big business organizations. Its convention's genuine applications have additionally covered numerous significant classifications that undertaking organizations might actually be keen on. What's more, Bitcoin Money's enormous local area of engineers, which deals with the blockchain's convention upgrades, could be considered by big business organizations as an innovative advantage. Bitcoin Money expectation has for some time been a panacea for application designers. Answers for genuine issues like money moves and disseminated finance have been found in light of Bitcoin Money. With Bitcoin Money showing such a lot of commitment, it has support from all the business crypto world Epicureans who immovably accept that Bitcoin Money, upheld by a basic strong algorithmic science and a steady past presentation, can be wise speculation guidance yet provided that contributed brilliantly with the right cost measure. To saddle the ideal potential, specialists overall and die-hard financial backers of Bitcoin Money expectation have exhorted adhering to this cash basically for the reasons of future cost heightening assumption. As a matter of fact, it has consistently acquired and reliably performed, as said previously. Allow us to examine the specialist's interpretation of Bitcoin Money expectation specialized examination. As per Guaj Bitcoin Money cost investigation, Bitcoin Money cost could drift least cost around $106 toward 2023 in the couple of the following months end. As indicated by Guaj Bitcoin Money cost, it is by all accounts showing a vertical pattern. The bulls will push the cost up like other crypto Goliaths as well. It's uplifting news for its financial backers. According to BCH value expectation, it can generally ultimately depend on $280.62 as most extreme cost in 1 year. As per the principal investigation and cost gauge, independent of its reception, the BCH coin will generally confront heat till January 2023. Going by Bitcoin Money cost forecasts that bulls might be back, the cash ought to wind up around $126. Bitcoin Money is anticipated to begin and walk 2023 at $131.61 and finish the month at $119.82. During spring, the most extreme determined BCH cost is $140.21 and the base cost is $95.34. Aside from the ongoing devoted series of designers and researchers, BCH has teamed up with many regarded accomplices to foster the Bitcoin People Group drive. These undertakings incorporate Bitcoin Limitless, Bitprim, Nchain, Bitcrust, Electromax, Equality, and Bitcoin XT. Bitcoin Money ABC got enrolled in the Gemini trade, drove by the Winklevoss siblings, with NYDFS endorsement. Additionally, the quantity of exchanges for Bitcoin Money appeared to be developing dramatically. Bitcoin ABC and Bitcoin SV didn't figure out how to acquire a lot of prominence. In any case, both of these coins are as yet accessible in each significant cryptographic money trade. The Bitcoin Money project group is on a forceful binge to upgrade its advancement and improvement exercises. Breaking liberated from the conventional method of activity, the group is effectively considering some progressive infrastructural upgradation. Aside from the ongoing wallet support, the Bitcoin Money People Group has likewise tried a beta message tipping bot, TipMapsBot, which empowers wire clients to tip different clients utilizing BCH. The last year was a unique advantage for BCH as well as for the vast majority of the monetary standards, including digital currencies along with fiat. World economies somersaulted radically considering the pandemic. The equivalent was the situation with Bitcoin money. BCH cost expectation from that point forward has begun floating towards hopefulness than negativity. Dealers and financial backers have begun wagering on Bitcoin money cost for the drawn-out expectations development following it intently. Thus, normal cost expectations for BCH remain very uplifting. Bitcoin money value forecast 2023 going by concentrating on present moment and long-haul BCH cost drifts. The coin's cost has been deviating from its way typically every 2 or 3 years. In 2023, Bitcoin money is supposed to arrive at the base cost of $112.56 and $273.46 as the most extreme cost, as per Bitcoin money cost expectation 2023. There is an anticipated possibility of Bitcoin money causing a slight recuperation. However, at the year end of 2023, BCH cost will recapture its lost energy and crosses the $250 mark. There is no such thing as Bitcoin money value forecast 2024 expressing that a stunning chance and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that Bitcoin money will control the crypto market with a presentation cost fixed around $347.50 in the long-term end. Bitcoin money is said to arrive at the base cost of $227.50, with a typical cost of $287.50. Bitcoin money has the maximum capacity to maintain and reliably fill even in unfriendly circumstances, according to our BCH cost expectation. There will be an extraordinary change in the Bitcoin money cost gauge when contrasted with the ongoing cost. Bitcoin money value expectation 2025 assuming the BCH cost endures for an extremely long period and mass reception gets numbered. It is, definitely, conceivable that Bitcoin money will be fundamentally more than its record-breaking high in light of our BCH cost forecast. Bitcoin money is said to arrive at the base cost of $300.30 and $458.70 as the greatest cost. That would mean, as per Bitcoin money cost forecast, it would have a typical worth of $379.50 in 2025. Bitcoin money value expectation 2026 in light of our own examination and Bitcoin money cost figure. The BCH cost expectation for the year 2026 is $590.75. BCH conjecture helps in money management brilliantly. Bitcoin money is anticipated to have a base cost of $386.75 and a typical cost of $590.75. Bitcoin money value expectation 2027 as per Bitcoin cash cost forecast. The token is supposed to have least and most extreme costs of around $505.05 and $771.45. Separately, simultaneously, the typical cost of the crypto might be around $638.25 all year long. Bitcoin money value expectation 2028 as indicated by the BCH cost forecasts. The symbolic will have least, normal, and most extreme costs of around $564.20. $713